Why did the broom break up with the dustpan? Because it found out it had been swept off its feet by the mop. Ah, spring cleaning, the time to rekindle our love affairs with household appliances. Now, onto the main event, the heavyweight champions of the cleaning world. Vacuums, washing machines, microwaves, and dishwashers. These are not just machines, they are our partners in grime, our allies against dust, and our knights against the onslaught of dirty dishes. Take the vacuum cleaner, for instance. It sucks. But that's a good thing. It's built to suck up the dirt that's been hiding in your carpet since the last spring cleaning. Regular maintenance, such as emptying the dust container and cleaning the filter, can turn your vacuum from a dust bunny collector to a dirt-devouring monster. But remember, it's not a leaf blower, so no outdoor adventures, please. Moving on to the washing machine. It's your personal clothing spa, providing a refreshing cleanse to your wardrobe. To keep it in top form, consider running an empty load with vinegar and baking soda. It's like a detox smoothie for your washer. This will help remove soap scum and mineral deposits, ensuring your clothes come out smelling like roses and not like the gym bag you forgot in the car for a week. Next in line, the microwave. It's the unsung hero of the kitchen, always ready to heat up your leftovers or pop your popcorn. But it's not a fan of splatter art. A simple solution of vinegar and water can help you clean up the mess after your food's explosive performance. It's like giving your microwave a steam facial, and who doesn't love a good spa day? Last but not least, the dishwasher. The guardian of your kitchen, slaying grease and grime one dish at a time. But even knights need their armor polished. Running an empty cycle with a dishwasher cleaner can keep it shining and ready for battle. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. But in this case, it's next to energy efficiency. By keeping your appliances clean, you're not only making them last longer, but also doing your bit for Mother Earth. Using eco-friendly settings on your appliances is like giving the planet a big warm hug. So remember folks, spring cleaning is not just about decluttering your home, it's also about showing your appliances some love. Because let's face it, without them, we'd be up the creek without a paddle. Or in this case, a vacuum without a suction cup. To wrap up, just remember that while spring cleaning may seem like a chore, it's also a chance to get reacquainted with your household appliances. After all, who knows? You might just find that the dishwasher is your new best friend, or that the vacuum really does suck, but in the best possible way.